Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will show you how to create a quick and easy hairstyle for kids that perfect to school and parties or any occasion. Follow along as we demonstrate step by step how to create this beautiful hairstyle. So that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave comment section below letting me know what you thought. As always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell icon so you never miss a video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video guys. Till then, bye, take care.